Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how to earn from this 5-minute business model. It's a very easy and fast way to earn. So this is what you need to do. First, you need to download an Epic browser if you're not from the US. The reason is so that you'll be able to do jobs that are basically for US citizens. So Epic browser will help you to change your IP to US. Then second one is to sign up using this link. After signing up, you confirm your email. So let's get into it. So first, Epic browser, go here, search for Epic browser. Okay, my data is not connected. Search for Epic browser. While I search, I'll pause the video. Okay, we are here. Scroll down, you see where 𝐿𝐢𝐴𝐻.com. So when you're in 𝐿𝐢𝐴𝐻.com, click on download. I have Epic browser on my system, so I may not need to download it again. So if you don't have it, click on download. Like I said, I have it on my system. I will not download it, so I will cancel it because I already have it. No. So come here. After installing it, open it. Okay, we have Epic browser here. So when you're in Epic browser, go to Epic Store Extension Store. That is because we need to install an extension. This is it, Encrypted Proxy VPN. It's already installed. Once you install, it will be here, Epic Proxy. Click on it. You can off it, it will turn red, and you can put it on to turn green. So always make sure that it's on. You can choose any of the US country. Be consistent with one. So for you to know that you are in the US, just go to what is my IP address. So you can see country is US. So when you are there, go back like I told you. I will copy the link. Go back to Epic browser, paste it there, and open it. So you need to sign up. I already have an account, so I may log out so I will show you how to sign up. So you click on sign up. Enter your full name here, your real email, your real name, your password. Of course, your country will be in the United States. Your enter a security question, answer it. Put your nickname, anyone, just say examples for you. Provide profile page title. You can say I'm a writer, I'm an SEO expert, like that. Then write about your specialty, then create account. So once you do that, you go to your email and confirm your email. So I will log in now. Like I said, I have into one of my accounts. So let me pause this video while I log in. So I'm in there now. You can see I have 1.14 pending, 0.28 in this account, 4 tasks completed. Click on small jobs. So you can see there are about 375 jobs available, and new ones are added every day, every hour I mean. So what you need to do is to scroll down and choose the one you think you can easily complete. But before you do that, make sure you check the success rate of each job. Like this one, a lot of people have completed it, that's why it's showing green. But this one, people have tried it, but it's not, they are unable to complete it. so that's why it's showing red. So always go for the one with green and go with the one that has higher pay, so that your fund can accumulate fast. So you can go for 0.30, 0.4245 like that. So let's just choose one. I will do the one that is very easy to call this video, for the sake of this video. Photo search. I'm interested in that. Just looking for. Okay, let's see. Let me see this one. Favorites. What's it called? Favorites. Okay, favorites. Live. Sign up. Okay. So let's see. You say you should go to, the first requirement is to go to this place, this site. Sorry. Right click, go to. So once you are there, the next thing is to, number 2 is to press join now. So let's see where join now is there. Join now. Join now. The number 3 is complete your entry and get the score of 500 entries. Take a screenshot your page showing 500 entries. Let me see. Entries. Okay, let me pause this video while I do that. Okay, let's give this one a try. I was not comfortable doing the one we opened that time. Let's give this one a try. I need one that can do very fast so that the video will not be too long. Like YouTube video, watching YouTube. Something simple to do. Something very simple to do. Okay, let's just see. Let's see. So you say we should go to this place. Go to sign up. So to sign up, you need to enter a valid email because you'll be using your email to confirm. So let's use. Mind you, the email, you can open an email that you don't use frequently because they will be sending you a lot of promotional messages. 2020. So make sure you open a new email for this bees. So email you don't use, you understand? After you sign up, once you sign up, there will be a lot of promotional messages that you may not like. So let's wait while I sign up. I don't know, but most of the jobs, some are just, look at this one, I'll be trying to sign up, but it's not going. So you may just tell them, I'm not interested in this job. It's not going through. That's why some of them are having red on their this thing. Because some you try to do it, but you not go through. That's why I told you earlier you should go for the one with green. Because it means a lot of guys have been doing it. But meanwhile, I'm trying to check this one. If you to go, boss dollars. And the first requirement is to visit this link, which I have done. Then you sign up. This is the second one. Then the third one says complete registration. Confirm your email. Then you provide them a link to after email confirmation. Email address you use. So I'm going to do that one. Need to sign up. I need the email for that. Like I said, create a new email that you're not using frequently, because once you sign up, they will bombard you with promotions which you may not like. So always use email that you are not opening frequently. So if at all they send you their newsletters or promotionals, it will not disturb your. Please correct the password. Okay, I'm coming. Let me pause and check. So we are in. Let's look at the next requirement. Sign up now. Complete the registration. Confirm your email. Complete. Let me see how fast. So confirm your email here. Verify your email. Verify your email. So I'm using a different registration. Okay. So email is verified now. So let's go back to the job site requirements. Link to a screenshot for the after email confirmation. So we've done that. What next now is to see the proof. Link to a screenshot, okay. Our email used to sign up. So to do that, click on accept job. So to screenshot, use 𝐿ightshot Chrome extension. You can download it from here. I already have it installed on my system, so you don't need to download it again. But if you want to download, click on download. Start downloading. Once it downloads, install it. Then press the. I'll show you. Just say number one, I say we should link to a screenshot after email confirmation. This is the after email confirmation. So all you just need to do is on your keyboard, press this key. On your keyboard, press this key. So after installing 𝐿ightshot, you'll be able to screenshot like this. Screenshot. The next is to upload it to the cloud, so you can get the URL. So you copy it, come back here, So the number one says link to screenshot, which I've done. Paste it there. Number two, the email used to register is the email. Okay, and that's all. So you click on submit, confirm, and you see this one increase now. So I should refresh it, refresh the page. So you see it has increased. It's now 5. And this is my email. So it's as simple as that. You can do as many as you want. So meet again. Enjoy your new business.